Hey folks, I'm Dave. Welcome to the channel. So I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk about laser fire safety. And what brings that to mind is I started a fire. And I will pop up the video and throw that in. But it was due to my own negligence. And I don't want you to make the same mistakes. So we're going to go through what I've done wrong. And that video shows that could have been really catastrophic if I had not been standing right next to the laser and keeping an eye on it. I do keep a fire extinguisher right next to the laser, a couple of them actually. But some other things I've done to contribute to the fire, and I don't like to be wrong, but it has happened once or twice. So one thing is I keep my laser on a comfortable speed and power that I use most often. And what I failed to do, the first thing I failed to do is when I switched to a softer wood, in this case, 3mm solid basswood. And I've got a whole piece here. It's really soft and flexible. I don't use it for anything customer because I just don't like it, and you don't want to send the customer bad products. But I bought a bunch of it when I first started laser cutting because I didn't know any better. So what I should have done, knowing that this is a softer wood, I should have increased the speed or reduced the power or both. And I didn't do that. Something else I do every week, at least once a week, that I had not done enough apparently, was clean out the honeycomb. I've got tweezers laying around, and I painstakingly pick all the little pieces out, and I use the shop vac and try to make the suction as strong as possible to get those out. But it's important to pay attention while you're cutting. If you shift from a plywood or a harder wood to something softer, just increase your speed, reduce your power, keep an eye on it, keep the honeycomb clear. And the laser does have an alarm on it. If it gets too hot, this Xtool D1 Pro 40 watt, it will set off an alarm and the laser will go to home. I moved it before that happened, as you could see in the video. Luckily, like I said, I was just standing here watching it. So just be careful and keep your laser interior as clean as possible, and learn the woods that you're using. And I'm still a newbie, but I've been doing this about 1.5 years, and I should have known better. I did have on the exhaust fan and the air assist, but something else you got to watch out for is sometimes that air assist will just fuel the fire, especially if you got those little bits of wood down in the honeycomb. They turn into little embers, and that air assist to just make them flame up. So be careful. It's not the first fire, but it's the first fire with that particular wood. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. It helps the channel grow, and it helps me as a newbie, and it helps everybody that comes across it. So y'all just check back often for new videos. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.